Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to ask for a refund before a supplier ship out your goods on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Tauba or Pinduoduo or iFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, click on here to proceed to your profile. Then go ahead and click on the order you have paid for. Go ahead and locate the particular order that you want to refund. So I'm going to use this particular order right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here, open the dialogues. Then go ahead and click on this place to refund. And this is going to pump up right here. Go ahead and click on here to refund the money. Just like what you see right here, the refund has been done successful. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to close this pop-up. By the time I refresh my order page right here, the product will no longer be found right here. Now, for you to be sure that the refund was successful, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and check the balance in your Alipay. So I'm going to click on here. Go ahead and open my Alipay right here. Just like what you see right here, you can see a notification pump up right here in my Alipay. Then go ahead to open up your message section in Alipay. Go ahead and click on notifications. Then here you go. You have a refund notice of the same amount from your 1688, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So in some cases, if the refund was not reflected instantly, maybe you make payment with your MasterCard or Visa card, you need to exercise a little bit more patience for like weeks, 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It depends on the country and the types of card you use to pay on 1688. But in the case whereby you pay with your Alipay, you get a refund. But in the case whereby you pay with your Alipay, you get a refunded instantly into your Alipay account balance. Is that simple? So this is how to refund your 1688 order before the supplier ship out your order on 1688. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Peace.